Hello students, today we will discuss about some example from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. As you know, the solution of all exercise from NCERT book is already completed. Here is the solution of some example from R.D. Sharma. Okay, so let us start with the first example. It is if x and y be on the line joining 2 points 1 minus 3 and minus 4 2, prove that x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So here is a line, okay, joining 1 minus 3 and minus 4 2. On this line xy is a point, okay, on this line xy is another point. So you can say that this 1 minus 3 xy and minus 4 2 are collinear since they lies on the same line. Okay, now the area of the triangle, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, the area of the triangle formed by 3 points is equal to this one. Okay, I am considering this one is A, B, C. Area of ABC is given by the formula of area of triangle from 3 points. If you put it in the formula, you will consider x1 as 1, y1 as minus 3, x2 as x, y2 as y, x3 as minus 4, y3 as 2. Okay, if you put it in the formula, you will get the area as half of minus 5x minus 5y minus 10. Now since this A, B, C point lie on the same line, that is collinear, therefore area of ABC will be equal to 0. That means this whole term is equal to 0. To the cross multiplication, it will be minus 5x minus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. Take minus 5 common and cancel it with the right hand side. You will get the relation x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, in this way you have to solve this problem. Now next one, it is similar problem. Given that the point AB, A1, B1 and A minus A1 comma B minus B1 are collinear if A B1 is equal to A1B. So as you can see, these 3 points are collinear B1. That means if you consider this one as A, this one as B and this one as C, then the triangle formed by these 3 points, that is the area of triangle ABC, will be equal to 0. So first of all, let us find what will be the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle will be by the formula, this one, this expression. Okay, here you will consider x1 as A, y1 as B, x2 as A1, y2 as B1, then x3 as A minus A1, y3 as B minus B1. If you put it in the formula, at the last you will get the equation half of AB1 minus A1B. Now since the area will become 0 because the points are collinear, so the area of ABC is equal to 0. That means this whole amount is equal to 0. So you can get AB1 is equal to A1B. Okay, you got this relation. In this way you have to solve this example. Now the next example, the vertices of triangle ABC are minus 2, 1, 5, 4 and 2 minus 3 respectively. This is the diagram given. Find the area of the triangle and the length of the altitude through the point A. Okay. This AD is the altitude. You have to find the length of this altitude. So as you can see, this D is not a midpoint, so that you can find the coordinate of D by section formula. Okay, so how can you find the length of the median? So first of all, let me check what will be the area of the triangle. As you can see, 3 vertices are given, so just using by area of triangle from 3 points formula, you can use x1 as -2, y1 as 1, x2 as 5, y2 as 4, x3 as 2, y3 as -3. Okay, just put it in the formula, you will get the area as -20, but the area of triangle cannot be negative. That's why you will consider only the numerical value, that is the value without the sign. Okay, so the area of triangle ABC will be 20 square unit. Area of the triangle is 20 square unit. Now you will find what will be the length of BC. Okay, what will be the length of the base. P point is given, C point is given. By distance formula, the length of BC will be root under 58. Okay, now you know the formula that area of triangle, this is the general formula, area of triangle is equal to half into base into altitude. Okay, now here is the area of triangle, here is the base. So if you put this value in this equation, you will get the length of AD. Okay, so 20 is equal to half into root under 58 into AD. So from here, if you solve, the value of AD will be 40 by root under 58 unit. Okay, in this way you can find what will be the length of the altitude. Now here is the next example. If -2, 3, 4, -3, 4, 5 are the midpoints of the side of a triangle, find the coordinate of its centroid. First of all, as you can see here, the midpoints are given. Okay, in the triangle ABC, the vertices of A, B, C are unknown. Okay, so I will consider that the vertices of A, B, C as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 respectively. But here you have to find what will be the coordinate of the centroid. Okay, so let's check the solution. So as you can see, D is the midpoint of this BC line segment. Now if you use midpoint section formula in the BC line, you can say that x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2 will be the midpoint, will be the coordinate of midpoint. It is given as -2 comma 3. Okay, that means if you compare the x coordinate, you will get the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to -2. Similarly, y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 3. So by cross multiplication, you will get these two equations. Mark this one as equation number 1. In similar process, from here you will get another equation. Do the cross multiplication, you will get x1 plus x3 is equal to 8, y1 plus y3 is equal to 6. Mark this as equation number 2. Similarly, from this point and this AB line, you will get x1 plus x2 is equal to 8, y1 plus y2 equal to 10. Okay, now from this equation and this equation, if you add these three equations, you will get x2 plus x3, x1 plus x3, x1 plus x2 is equal to -4 plus 8 plus 8. Similarly, you will add these three equations. Okay, so from equation number 1 to 3, okay, you are adding these three equations, and you will get another two equations. One is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 6. Another one is y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 5. Okay, now from 1 and 4, equation number 1 was x2 plus y3 is equal to -4. Okay, if you subtract equation number 1 and equation number 4, you will get the value of x1. And if you subtract equation number y and 4, for the y value, then you will get y1 as minus 1. Similarly, if you do the operation on equation number 2 and 4, you will get the value x2 and y2. Similarly, for 3 and 4, you will get the value x3 and y3. Okay, so you are getting the coordinate of A as 10, minus 1. Here the coordinate of B as minus 2, 11, and here the coordinate of this will be C. Okay, coordinate of C as minus 2, minus 5. Okay, so therefore the vertices of the centroid, now you know that the centroid of a triangle will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, the coordinate of the centroid of triangle ABC is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, that means the sum of the x coordinate of the vertices by 3, the sum of y coordinate of the vertices of the triangle by 3. So you got the value of x1, x2 and x3, y1, y2 and y3. Put it in this formula, you will get the coordinate of centroid as 2, minus 5 by 3. In this way you have to solve this question. Now next one, find the third vertex of a triangle if the two vertices are given as minus 3, 1, 0, minus 2 and the centroid is at origin. Okay, so the coordinate of A and coordinate of B are given. The coordinate of C is unknown, so that's why I am considering it as x, y, and the centroid is at the point origin, that means 0, 0. This point is at the point 0, 0. Now you have to find what will be the coordinate of C. So let's check the solution. We know that the centroid of the coordinate of the centroid is, I told you the formula in the previous slide, it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, where x1 x2 is this one, y1 y2 x1 x1 y1 is this one, x2 y2 is this one, and x3 y3 is this one. Okay, so from the given data the centroid will be x minus 3 plus 0 by 3, y plus 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, this is the coordinate of the centroid from this formula. Okay, but the centroid, the coordinate of the centroid is given as 0, 0. So if you compare this coordinate and this coordinate, you can say that this x coordinate will be equal with 0 and y coordinate will be also equal to 0. So here I am getting two equations involving x and y. If you solve the first equation, you will get the value of x as 3, and if you solve this equation, you will get the value of y as 1. So that means the coordinate of third vertex will be 3, 1. Okay, so you can say that what will be here, you are getting a new formula. What is the formula? If ABC is a triangle, okay, if ABC is a triangle where the coordinate of A is given as x1 y1, coordinate of B is given as x2 y2, and coordinate of C is given as x3 y3, then the coordinate of centroid will be equal with x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, so this is all for today. Okay, so just practice this example. Thank you.